Myntri Rangbah kejela ukonrad kisang maha kasau terik nok pra ula Plie Mawnongrim ban sedang teno ya ke Shillong Ropeway project ya ke baladap ban bu Mawnongrim da ke Presiden keri India ka Draupadi Murmu ha ka khandri terik ukala lingkot menta usnem ha ka jingadon lang Myntri ketena tourism ubak polling do ya ka plak ke bapen I ya ke dak ka jingbu ya Mawnongrim la Plie pai ba ha ka jaka bante ya ke project ha Shillong Peak Viewpoint. Hakani kejingalang na kaliang Myntri Rangbah bat Myntri ketena tourism kila IT ru ya ka letter of acceptance ne ka shiti ka jingpriang syaka KEC International Limited Tantia Construction Limited JV kaban sedang pentri no shan ya kani ka project ka bakongsan ka balamang ha ka jinglut ka bakot shispa nyopusan kelur tingka. Kani kendi ka Ropeway ka beningkong ha ka jela Meghalaya ka bankit ya kinong late nong wan ya ka baon pentri kam da ka jingan trilang bat ka company na friends ka poma ha ka ba ka benta jong kani ka company ka long ban penbiang ya kitiar kitar na ka benta kani ka project. Ka sarkar jela kala shim ya ki sinjam ban shna shibun ki jingtay na ka benta ban kentiu ya ki kam jungok kai bat kani ka Ropeway project ru ka de ka way na kini ki benta. Myntri Rangbah ula IT ru ka pisa ka ba ibay pensan kelur tingka ha ke kela ka baar sya uba glanding lingdo General Secretary ka right laban pelun ka balong ru shibenta jong ka jing ai ka balai kelur tingka ban siu ya ka bai jaka. Habakran ha kani ka jingalang Myntri Rangbah ula perto ya baro ki badan benta ha ka kam halor ka jingla ban pendap ya ki jing tho jingtar bat baro ki jing don kam khnang ban la ban sedang pentreno ya kani ka project. Kila don shibun ki jing baya kenduk kata nadu ka jing shim jaka ka jing yo jing bit bat halor ka jing thau ya ka Ropeway Development Authority ban pentikna na ka benta ka jing shkan bat ka jing ai license ka jing sedang ya ka project kala seiso hadian ka jing ai penkrek ka bala shimpor hadu sausnem ulaong nalor kata ula penpauru ka jing songu ya ka right laban dorbar shnong pelun halor ka jing ai ya ka jing trilang. Kani ka project kan yai lingba ka laban madan laban upper lumpering lower lumpering lumkejat sengi Oxford Hills bat ringi Shillong. Habakran halor ke jinga trilang jong ki pajba nong shong shnong halor ke te ka project ukonrat ulaong. Kalong ka bokong san bha baki pajba kini trilang bat ka sorkar. Kani ka project ka de ka bami na ka jinga trilang hapadeng baro ki bayadan benta. Kani ke project kan penti kenai ke jingyok lum khajana bat ka ban penmentoy ya ke dorba bat ki weipat ki kunhun bayadan bentaha ke project. Nalor kata ula perturu ya ke tenat shipai khamtam ka Air Force ka bala ai ya ke jingya trilang bat ka jing kershan na ke benta ban sedang ya kani ke project. Pentip ru baka sorkar kadang thau ya ki weipat ki lenti ban penia sok bat ka jaka jungok kai bat ban weng ya ke jing khapnya ha ka jaka hiar ka Ropeway hamadan laban. Myntri Rangbah ula pentip ru baka sorkar kan shna da ka weipat kelenti ka bajrong kumba 100 kilometer ka ban penya so sya ka surok ha 101 area opo Shillong. Ka Ropeway ka de kalat ka babiang tam ha ka let kawan ha ki jaka sor bat kan long ru kalat ban weng ya ka jingkhap ngia ya ka dongba ula benrap. Ki weipat ki balaya don lang ha kani ka jingalang ki kentup yo ba sanbor Shulai Chief Secretary DP Waklang Commissioner and Secretary Tourism Dr. Vijay Kumar bat u Director Katana Tourism uba Cyril Vidi Dingdo.
This project today of this Ropeway is just the beginning. Just last night, after many programs we had all day and all afternoon, we had a very constructive meeting along with the technical partners that are helping us in this project of how we could expand this tourism Ropeway and further go into making the Ropeway as a model or a mode of urban transportation. So can you imagine having a cable car for public transportation, say from a location like Laimukra Dankiti, going into Barek and going into PB. So therefore you'll be having continuous cabins that will carry people along this line, and obviously we will see the reduction in traffic in that sense. Further, we can imagine if that line goes into Polo and then further it goes on to other side towards Maulai and to Barabazar and even from our terminal here in Laban to connect to this urban Ropeway. Of course, a very big dream, a very big thought, but as I said, we are here to dream big, we are here to do big things. And therefore, we will start, we may have to start small, but it will be one step at a time because we want to be realistic in the way we move forward. But this is one project that is really something that we want to do. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but we are really desiring to push this forward. Let us hope and see how this particular project moves forward, and then we will work towards seeing how we could make this also a part of urban transport. We feel that it could be one of the best ways for us to give an alternative transport mode to our people. Not an easy project, very, very complicated, very difficult, and of course expensive, but it will be a game changer in terms of the overall traffic scenario in our city.